Hello and welcome to e-polish.eu. Whether you're using our e-coursebooks or e-coursebooks Plus, taking classes in a virtual classroom, or solving tests assigned to you by your teachers, you will encounter a multitude of interactive exercises. The exercises offer various types of interactivity, all of which are intuitive and user-friendly. When you open any exercise, you will have the option to generate a PDF or print the exercise, generate a vocabulary list for this exercise. Not all exercises will contain a vocabulary list. If it's unavailable, the icon will be grayed out. If the exercise includes a recording, you can play the recording here and access its transcript here. If you encounter any issues with an exercise, you can report it to us here. If you come across an unfamiliar word, all you need to do is click on it
Sekretarka.
to view it in our multimedia dictionary. You can view the instructions to the exercise in your chosen language by changing the language of your e-coursebook. The exercises also provide immediate feedback. You can verify your answers by clicking Check. You will see which of your answers were correct, and the number of points you earned will be shown right below the exercise. Clicking on Show will display all the correct answers. You can also press Clear to clear out your answers and start over. You can redo the exercises as many times as you want. If you don't have access to Polish letters on your keyboard, you can use our virtual keyboard instead. In some screen resolutions, you may find that the keyboard is partially obscured. In that case, you might have to drag the exercise window slightly aside. If you're taking a test or solving your homework, you can access the keyboard in two different places: in the top section of the exercise here, or in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please refer to our other videos, email us at help@e-polish.eu, or use the contact form on our website. Thank you for choosing e-Polish and happy learning!